This is Fool's Puzzle. It's the perfect block for me. I love that this block is made with different units than you think. It's an hourglass or quarter square triangle in the center, 2 flying geese on the opposing sides, and then 4 flying geese units on the 2 sides to give it a different kind of a look. The flying geese in this are pieced with connector corners, meaning you're going to put a square on and you're going to go ahead and draw a line, use a seam guide, or you can use the simple folded corners ruler. This will give you the option of cutting your background squares just a little bit larger, cutting them in half, attaching them, and then trimming them up to size if that's what you like to do. The advantage of using the connector corners for a block like this is you only need 2 flying geese for this. Okay, you need 4 there, but it's a nice simple way to do this. You're also going to get a little bit, it's easier for me sometimes to piece the smaller blocks, the smaller pieces using connector corners. I just find that you're handling tiny, tiny pieces, and so it seems to be a little bit easier process for me. The 3 parts are going to go together. This is one where you do want to pay attention to pressing, because the pressing on this, these lay better when these seams are pressed open. Pretend that that's laying really flat. Maybe this, oh, that one's laying a little bit better. But you're going to press those open. So yes, pay attention to the pressing on it, and your 2 long seams will also be pressed open. And you can open the center of that if you like. It's not required. I just do that by habit. There you go. This is Fool's Puzzle.